हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम अभिषेक और आप देख रहे हो एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन गुरुजी। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट IBPS 2020 marks distribution and exam pattern. Also, I will discuss about the simplification, one of the most important chapter for quants, and also I will give some tricks which you will apply in your exam. So let's start, and if you like this video then please subscribe because of the more updates I will provide about the IBPS PO exam related videos I will post, and I will share more quants related topics. Okay, so please subscribe the channel. So friends, today I will discuss about the IBPS exam pattern and marks distribution first, then I will go for simplification. So as you know, it has three portion. Okay, one is English. It has 30 marks, 30 question. Time should be 20 minutes. Then quants, most important, you can crack full marks in this quant section. Okay, so you need to target all sections because all sections has cut off, but you can earn full marks in quants. It has 35 questions, 35 marks, 1 marks for one question each. Okay, 20 minutes, and it has logical reasoning, that is also 35 marks for 20 minutes. Okay, so this is the exam pattern. Okay, and marks distribution, every question has 1 mark and negative is 0.25 for each wrong answer. Okay, so this is the exam pattern. So now today I will discuss about the simplification, one of the most important chapter topic for quant section. It has lot of topics. I will describe one by one in my next videos. So please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and updates for IBPS 2020. So I will discuss about the simplification today for quants. It has 4 to 5 questions from simplification, and you have to complete these 4-5 questions within 2.5 minutes. Then only you can go for other questions, because only you have 20 minutes for 35 questions. It's very tough, right? But methods are very easy. You can go for that. Okay, just see my video, this video, and next videos till the end, and subscribe my channel so that I can provide all the updates to you. Okay, so this is the first question. Okay, it is from 2018 IBPS PO exam. Okay, so this is an example of simplification. Now we all know the rule of BODMAS, right? BODMAS. Okay, so as per BODMAS we know already, but I'm just giving you: B for bracket, O for orders of root and squares, orders of power you can say, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay, so this is the rule of BODMAS. So let's take, so this is one of the example. We can solve it within 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, I will share you what are the process you will follow to solve it in the exam. So here 65% of 1260, you have to first take care this one. So whenever you will get 65% or 75%, what I will do, I will just break it up. Okay, like how 65% means, you can also do it like 65 by 100, like this. Okay, and after that you have to calculate. This is a long process, it will time consuming process. Okay, what I will do, I will break up this 65% into small portions. How? I will break up this 65% into 50%, then 10%, then 5%. Can I do? Yes, I can do. And it will be easier. How? I'm saying, you have to mentally calculate, if it is 50%, then what we need to divide this one. We need to divide this one with 2 for 50%, correct? Because 50 by 100, that is 1 by 2 into 1260. That is 1260 divided by 2. Same as 10%, 10 by 100, that is 1 by 10. That means 1260 divided by 10. And for 5%, we can write as a 1 by 20. Correct? It's mental maths. So you can skip this thing. You can directly write the answers. How? 1260 divided by first 50%, 2, plus 1260 divided by 10%, then 10, plus 1260 divided by 20. Correct? If you will divide with 2, you know 630. 126, and this one only 63. Correct? Understand? Also you can do it mentally. Okay. No need to write these steps. You can do it fully in your brain and just write this one. Okay. Then 369, 6 to 8, 311, carry 1, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 819. You can do this one in brain also. Okay. And just write as a 819. Okay. So you can understand how I'll break up this 65% in 3 portion. Okay. Easiest portion. I mean, which is divisible by 100 easily. Okay. Now I have 819. Correct? So I just write as a 819 here. Now this one has another trick. How? So as per Bodmer's rule, you have to do it first this one, then multiplication, then subtraction. Okay, like this. Now for this one, how I will do? You just break it up in 2 portions. Now you can see it is 44, right? I already share one trick for root and square root. You can also see that video. I will provide that link in the I button, also in the description below. But I will not recommend you that tricks, because sometimes it can happen like you forgot that trick at the time of exam. So what will you do? You don't need to follow any tricks, but you can go for any approx values. Okay, because it is MCQ type questions, you can go for approx values and it will provide you the answer. Okay, so here in this question, that is like 4489. 44 is means like less than 7 square and greater than 6 square. So the number would be starting from 6. Okay, the number would be starting from 6. And what about the 89? You know, we have numbers 1 square 1, 2 square we know 4, 3 square we know 9, 4 square unit digit 6, 5 square 5, 6 square 6, 7 square 9. So we have 9 for 3 square as well as 7 square. Now you have to guess what is the unit digit. It would be 3 or 7. If it is 3, then 63. Correct? So now you need that trick that I have shared in my earlier video. So that's why I told you like you can go in the I button and check my video for that trick. Okay, it's easier because 6 square is 36, 3 square is 09, 3 into 6 18, to the power 2 I mean square is 36, 9 6 9 3. So you can see this is different. Okay, so this is different, so it is obviously 67. Understand how I'll do? It's just trial and method. Okay, so you have to put it as 67. Now this multiplication, I also provide another video for multiplication. 6 new methods I have shared with for the multiplication. You can also see that. I will provide that in the description box and in I button also, that multiplication methods video. But I will tell you another method here. It's not a method, it's a common sense, you can say. Like 27, I can divide it as a 25 plus 2. So 16 into 25 is what? 4 times of 25 is 100. So 16 times is 400. Plus 2 means 16 into 2, 32, 432. That's it. So when I am describing this, it is taking me time to describe you, but you can see in next line you have just complete your sum. It's already completed. Now in this 9 7, how much? 16 minus 2 14. So in answer, in MCQ, whenever you will check unit place, when you see that 4 is there, that is your answer. Okay, so if they have provide 2 options as a unit digit 4, in that case you have to see the other digit. Okay, the next digit, what it would be? It would be like 9 7 16 minus 2 14, carry 1, right? Yes. 6 7 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is another one. Till now if it's not matching, then you have to go further. Okay, most of the cases it will match with the unit place only. I mean, whenever you got this 4, you got the answer. Okay, so here it is 5. Okay, you got it? Then 8 minus 4, that is 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the first example. I am coming with the next example. So friends, this is the next example. This time I have put options also for your understanding. You can also try in your own. Okay, at the same time I am doing, you can also see first and you can also try. Okay, in this example, what is the first we'll do 23 square. It's very easy. 23 square we know. I have already shared that video in the I button. You can see how to go for the square values of 2-digit number, double-digit number, and square root of double-digit number. Okay, so this is very easy. 23 square means we can do 0 4 0 9 12, that is 9 2 5, 5 to 9. Okay, so 5 to 9, this one will do. Before that we will do this one. 52%, same. I will just divide this 52 in 50 and 2%. So when I am going for 50%, it is 1350 divided by 2, that is 675, right? Correct. And when I am going for 2%, that is 1 by 50, that is 1350 divided by 50, 0 5, I mean 135 divided by 5, that is 27, right? So 27 plus 675, that is 702. Yeah. I think you got it. If not, if any problem, then I just describe it now. Now I 52%, I break it up with 50% plus 2%. You got it? Correct? Now 50% means what? 50 divided by 100 into 1350. So if I can calculate in brain that what is the fraction of 50%, 1 by 2. So I directly divide 1350 with 2 only. Okay, and I do this whole thing in brain. Okay, 2% means 2 by 100, that is 1 by 50 into 1350. So 00135 divided by 527. That's it. So 675, 2% means 2 by 100, 1350, 1 by 50, as I said, 0027. This plus this, 702. That's it. So I do it in a second, 3 to 4 seconds, that is enough. Okay, 702. You have written it, right? Okay. Then 16, 26 cross 19. That is another easy one. How you will do? Whenever any term has number like 19, 18, you will consider this one, I mean break it up with 20 minus 1. So 20 into 26 means 520 minus 26. That's it. So 520 minus 26 means 494 only. Easy, very easy. 494 plus 529 minus 702. Okay, 9, 4, 13 minus 2, 11 only. So unit digit 1. Which one is 1? This one. That's it. Very easy. Okay, you can see unit digits are different. So whenever you have unit digits 1, that means answer is B. So you have to complete this one within 30 seconds. For me it is taking 15-20 seconds. Okay, maximum I will take 15-20 seconds. But in your case, primarily it will take 30 seconds, 40 seconds. But when you will practice more, it will be like 15-20 seconds you can easily answer. Okay, don't go with 52% means you will start with 52 divided by 100 into 13 by 1350. It will take long process, man. Don't do it. Just break it up. Okay, and break it up how? Which is divisible by, I mean, which can divide by 100. Okay, this way, 52. Okay, like this. Don't divide is 49, 3. It will not anyhow work. Divide how I have told you, right? That way. Okay, so I'm going for the third example. Okay, so this is example 3. Okay, so you can see the length of this example, it's high, right? So it will take 1 minute at least. No, it will not. It will take only 15-20 seconds, and this time it will be very easy. 2 off, this one and this one, 2 off, 1 division. Okay, and here is also 130. Okay, it's like equation they have provided. Okay, you have to find the value of x. So how? Same process, 10 plus 2, 20 plus 4. That's it. 10 plus 2 means 10% means divide by 0, 65. Okay, and 2% means this divided by 50, 0, 0, 5, 13. So 78. Correct? 7 to 8 divided by x. Correct? Plus, what is the value of 24% of 450? Let's see. 20% means 1 by 5. That is divided by 450. That is 90. Plus 4% means 1 by 25. 450 divided by 25, that is, just divide it full. 445 8 208, right? So 18. This one is, for 20 it was 90 plus 18, that is 108. 130 minus 108, that is 22, right? So no need to put it as a just 22. Now 78x minus 22x, I just make it in full in brain. How? 72x minus 22x is 56x equals to 728. So don't put 728 divided by 56 in one line. We can divide 8. Another trick, don't divide numbers, these big numbers, with small values. Try to divide with the upper values. Okay, that is a trick. Okay, so whenever you can go for tables, okay, I will ask you to just read tables from 1 to 30. Okay, that is very important. You have to read it 1 to 30. Then only you can divide very easily. Okay, it's like I divide with 8, 7, 91, 30. 30 is the answer. So tell me, how many steps? Only 1, 2, 3 steps. Only 3 steps you will take. So maximum it will take 30 seconds for you. And if you will practice more and more, then it will take how much? 20 seconds maximum you can finish. It's all the 3 example is from 2018 IELTS PO. Okay, so you will get this kind of questions only in exam. Okay, not more than that, not tougher than that. These are the questions. Okay, you can get easier than that also, but you will get this kind of questions. So what are the things you have to memorize? You have to memorize table from 1 to 30. You have to memorize square values at least 1 to 20. You have to memorize Q values 1 to 20. Why I am telling that? If you can memorize these things, your division, your multiplication, your square, those are very easy. If you forgot that at the time of exam, you can go for these tricks what I have shown. Okay, but if you can memorize, it will be more than easy. Okay, you can solve it within 15 seconds, man. Within 15 seconds. Okay, so this is table, square, this is square root, square, and this is table. Okay, these are the things you have to memorize. Okay, it's my request. So this is how it works. Okay, so this is all for today. If you like this video, I will recommend please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, because I will share more updates, not only simplification, I will share more updates in quants. Many chapters are there, many important chapters. We have only 10 days, 10-12 days, because exam starts from 3rd of October. So you have couple of days, okay, before exam. Just go and practice all these things. Okay, I will share each and every chapter of quants, okay, going forward within 5-6 days, and you will get all these videos from my channel. So please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all notifications. Okay, and if you like this video, please share with the students with IBPS PO, going for IBPS PO 2020, so that they will get help. Okay, bye, thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and comment your valuable feedback.